How to edit selfies in Lensa. Let's jump right into editing the selfie using Lensa. First thing first, let's open the Lensa app. And once inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. And now it's time to select the selfie that you have clicked earlier. Let's tap on it and upload the selfie. This one, let's tap on import and import it. Give it a time to be loaded. And once it's loaded, you'll be seeing this type of interface where you'll be seeing a magic AI from which you can just tap on it and just changes the filter. And there are also other options. From the eraser, you can erase the things that you want to erase from the image. There's an option for the crop that will help you to crop the image to the desired ratio. And there's an option for the filters. The use of a filter is to change the filter of the photo. There's an option for the skin from which you can change the face retouch. You can change the face matte, neck retouch, and many more. There's option for the shape, which will help you to adjust the face proportion, bigger eyes, smaller eyes, make the smaller cheeks, and so on. There's also an option for the looks that will help you to change your face contouring, brighter lips, neck shadows, highlights, and even help you to change the color of your hair. And there you can see an option for the blur, which will help you to blur the items. There's an option for the background that will help you to change the background and sky, light, color, details, and many more options. You can just explore them as you want and edit the selfie that you want. And after you have made the desired changes, what you can do is tap on the save button, which is in top right corner over here, and it will be saved. So what's your favorite feature in the Lensa? Drop a comment or share your edited selfie. I'd love to see it. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.